Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, today we are going to present a project on study any case of fake profiling. And our guide name is Bansode ma'am and subject teacher name is Vijay Mohite sir. Myself Ishwari Sidwadkar and my team members are Vaibhavi Shivimkar and Omkar Dhekale. Now these are all indexes of our project and I will explain it to you step by step. This is the history of our project. Social media is a revolutionized way to connect and stay in touch with people around the globe. Did you know that roughly 42% of the world population is active on social media, which translates to roughly 3.2 billion active users? Nowadays, social media as a platform is not only used to connect with people, but also as a powerful businesses and marketing platform. In the late 2017, Facebook alone detected and suspended more than 1.3 billion fake accounts. On the other hand, 8% of profile on Instagram are fake according to this study. It's undeniable that social media platform face a growing problem with fake profiles, boots, and inactive accounts. Now, next slide is about to history of fake profiling. Online social networking sites starting with http://www.6degrees.com in 1997. Then came http://www.makeoutclub.com in 200. 6degrees.com couldn't survive much and closed very soon. But new sites like MySpace, LinkedIn, Bebo became successful and Facebook was launched in 2004. And presently, it is the largest social network sites in the world. The next slide is about two objective of case study. In today's online social networks, there have been a lot of problems like fake profiles, online impersonation, etc. Nowadays, no one has came up with a feasible solution of these problems. In this project, I intend to give a solution with which the detection of fake profiles can be done so that the social life of people became secured by using this detection technique. Now, next part will continue by Vaibhavi Shivimkar.
This is the main content of our project. What are the fake profile? A fake profile is the representation of a person, organization, or company that does not truly exist on social media. Often these accounts use names and identity that not only look real but are designed to get closer access to specific people and their target audience. The appearance of this fake profile can range from an attractive woman who is trying to gain access to men's Facebook or business such as a bank reaching out of you updated account information. They usually are recently opened accounts that have friends anywhere from just to several hundred. The picture they use the usually alert version of images stolen from actual people or organization. So who knows? Maybe someone is using your picture from malicious purpose somewhere, some on internet to device gain access and exploit your data. And who uses fake profile? Anyone can use a fake profile. From government agencies, companies, kids, hackers, and professional online criminals. All you need is a phone numbers and email, a few stolen and altered image, and you are good to go. Truly strong fake identities are built slowly and take time. No one built slowly their Facebook profile in one day, so that should be a clear red flag. Marketing agencies also use them as they want to research what people are doing online. It is completely illegal since user grant profile access to there. And next slide is next slide about to detect fake profile on Facebook and social media. If you think a fake profile is attack attack you, it's critical to look for sign of that profile being fake. You could try reverse engineering profile images by searching for them on Google Images. But a good hacker will know to alter them well enough to make them untraceable. So what sign can you accept to find? The profile has very few picture of no actual picture of person at all. It was created recently in the past year or two, unless the person is very young. Most of open our Facebook accounts in 2006 and 2007. Look for sign of long-term use of the account. Little or no contact in common when the profile has nothing in common with you, such as friend or even a professional interest, and they are trying to add you, it's likely for malicious reason. When a profile adds you, but once you accept them, there is no more interaction with the user. This is a classic sign that the profile is fake. The person behind the fake identity just got what she or he wanted and will avoid talking to you in the hopes you forget it about. Next part will continue Omkar Dhekade.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Dhekade. I am from Zeal Polytechnic Narai. This slide is about social impact of fake profiling. There are some social impact are listed here. First one is distribution of phishing malware. Second is online reputation damage of executive brands. Third is sensitive information leakage through social engineering scare more likely to share information with a profile who listening is your CEO or CSO authorize a payment or advising you to donate to a cause. And the last is scammer create a fake social media profile where he pretended to be a sales representative, bank employee or a loan officer. This slide is about literature survey of our project. The main goal of this research is to evaluate the amplification of fake user profile on a Facebook. To do so, we established a comprehensive data harvesting attack, the social engineering experiment, and analyze the interaction between fake profile and regular users. Various fake record recognition methodologies depends on the investigation of individual interpersonal organization profiles with the point of distinguishing the qualities or a combination thereof that help in recognizing the legitimate and the fake records. This slide describes conclusion of our project. So finally, we can identify fake profiles in any online social network. Fake profile identification can be improved by applying NLP techniques and neural network to process the post and the profiles. In the future, we wish to classify profiles by taking profile picture as one of the future. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.